Students, now today we are going to study the CBSE class 9 chapter number 2.1. First question, whatever in your book you can see that question number first is which of the following expression are polynomials in one variable and which are not. Before going to the topic, I want to say that you should know what is a polynomial. Polynomial is what? So any expression which power is non-negative integer like 3x square plus 4x plus 7. In this expression, x is the variable and 3, 4 and 7 are the constant. So variable, it has power 2 and it has power 1. If you have any equation like 3x square plus 1 upon x, in this case what happened? This 1 upon x, this becomes 3x square plus x power minus 1. The exponent of x is a negative integer. कहने का मतलब ये है कि पॉलिनोमियल आप उसको कह सकते हैं जिसमें वेरिएबल की पावर नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर हो. नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर का मतलब 0 या उससे अधिक. यहाँ पर x की पावर 2 है और x की पावर 1 है, लेकिन इसके केस में व्हाट हैपेंस, x की पावर 2 एंड हियर x पावर minus 1, so it is not a polynomial. In same case, this is the polynomial of one variable. And second point, if you want to say that like this equation, what happened with this? 3x square plus 4y power 10 plus 9z की power 10. In this equation, what happened? This is a polynomial but not one variable. 3 variables are there. In this chapter, we have to study only about the single variable. So it is not a polynomial of single variable. So let's see the first question. First question is what? 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So in this, one variable is there, that is the x. एक ही variable है जो x है. The power of x is 2 and 1. So degree of polynomial is 2 and the power is here 2 and here 1, here x is 0. So it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Why? Because it has one variable x which exponent is non-negative integer. Non-negative integer. Clear? I hope. आप देख सकते हैं हमारा इक्वेशन है 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 7. इसमें एक ही वेरिएबल हो x है, x की पावर 2, 1 और यहाँ पर कोई पावर नहीं, इसका मतलब x की पावर 0. तो ये हमारा पॉलिनोमियल है. दिस इज आवर पॉलिनोमियल. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज आवर y स्क्वायर प्लस रूट 2. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? हाउ मेनी वेरिएबल्स आर देयर? कितने वेरिएबल हैं? सिर्फ एक. वो कौन सा? दैट इज द y. और यहाँ y की पावर 2, एक्सपोनेंट इज 2 and here is no variable, so it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Why? Because it has one variable. It has one variable y and its exponent is non-negative integer. Non-negative integer. In third question, 3 root t plus t root 2. It means what? 3 t की power 1 by 2 plus t root 2. In this variable, t exponent is 1 and this is exponent is a half. It is not an integer. 1 by 2 is not an integer. So, it is not a variable. No, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Fourth question, fourth part of the first question contain y plus 2y. In this you can write like this: y plus 2y power minus 1. This part contain, this is the negative integer, so it is not a polynomial. No, because y1 second term exponent is negative integer. Clear? I hope so. Fifth part is x power 10 plus y power 3 plus t power 50. In this equation, there are 3 variables. This is a polynomial of 3 variables, but we have to find out polynomials of 1 variable. हमें ये पता करना है कि polynomial एक 1 variable का, तो ये नो होगा. क्यों? 3 variables are there. In this equation, three variables. There are 3 variables. 3 variables. So, आप देख सकते हैं कि 3 वेरिएबल हैं, इसलिए ये पॉलिनॉमियल 1 वेरिएबल नहीं होगा. अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप इसके लिए हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिख सकते हैं और कमेंट में लिखें, हम आपको इसका जवाब देंगे. थैंक यू.